In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a GA4 account in just about 5 minutes. Removing a Google Analytics 4 account might seem like a daunting task at first, but with the right guidance, you can accomplish it quickly and efficiently. Let's dive straight into the procedure, ensuring that you can follow along without any hiccups. First things first, make your way to Google. This initial step is the gateway to numerous Google services, including Google Analytics. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll find yourself at the very start of this process, poised to take the next step. Next, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. This action is crucial as it navigates you closer to your Google Analytics account by prompting you to log in with your Google account credentials. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Here, select the account associated with the GA4 property you wish to remove. Once selected, enter your password. This process is vital for verifying your identity and ensuring that unauthorized individuals do not access your Google Analytics data. Upon entering your password, click on Next to proceed. This action will authenticate your credentials and grant you access to your Google Analytics account, assuming the details entered are correct. Following successful authentication, look towards the top right of the Google page, where you'll find an icon for Google Apps. Click on this to reveal a grid of Google's various apps and services. From this assortment, you need to select Google Analytics. This step is pivotal as it directly leads you into the analytics environment where your data lives. Once in Google Analytics, it's time to navigate to the admin settings. You'll typically find this option at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. The admin section of Google Analytics is where you can adjust settings, manage user permissions, and, most importantly for this task, initiate the removal of a GA4 account. Inside the admin settings, click on the account list to expand your options. This reveals several administrative aspects of your account, but the one we're interested in today is Account Access Management. Clicking here will take you to a section dedicated to managing who has access to your Google Analytics account. This area is designed to give you control over who can see and interact with your GA4 property. In Account Access Management, identify the email address or addresses you wish to remove access for. There will be a checkbox next to each email, and you'll want to select the checkbox for the email address that you're planning to remove. This action is like selecting players in a team roster. You're deciding who's in and who's out. After you've made your selection, spot the 3 dots or more option next to the email address. Clicking on this reveals additional actions you can take. From the mini menu that appears, select Remove Access. This is the crucial step where you're initiating the severance of access rights to your GA4 account for the selected email address. Lastly, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about your decision to remove access. Click on Remove to finalize your action. This is the point of no return where the selected user's access to your GA4 account is permanently revoked. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of removing access to a GA4 account. This task, while detailed, is essential for maintaining the security and integrity of your Google Analytics data. Whether you're restructuring your team or simply tidying up your account, knowing how to manage access is a valuable skill. Remember, managing your digital assets is an ongoing task. Regularly reviewing who has access to your accounts ensures that your data remains secure and only in the right hands. This tutorial aimed to equip you with the know-how to manage your GA4 account access confidently. I hope you found this guide thorough and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tutorials on managing your digital presence effectively.